ในงานเนี่ยจิบน้ำแล้วก็พิธีจริงๆก็จะเป็นการส่งมอบคือเงินขวัญถุงคือเป็นเงิน
This evening, I would like to take you to experience the atmosphere of the Mien or Yao tribe in organizing a way of life demonstration and cultural performances. Tribal traditions in Chiang Rai. Follow me.
ก็จะตามด้วยเจ้าบ่าวซึ่งจะไปต้อนรับเจ้าสาว
แล้วเจ้าบ่าวมีเพื่อนเจ้าบ่าวไหมคะ
มีครับ
มีเพื่อนเจ้าบ่าวมาด้วย
It is an opportunity for the Mien people to spread the tribal way of life to tourists who come to visit tonight. Admire the beauty of life and cultural performances, music, art of the Yao tribe or the Mien tribe of Chiang Rai province.
แบบนี้ก็คือ
มีสองขั้นตอน
The Mien or Yao people originally settled in China along the Yangtze River. The Chinese call it Yao, which means savage. Mien is the name given by the government, or sometimes referred to as you mean, means human. Immigration of the Mien tribe of 12 surnames came to the south around the 15th to 16th century, entered Vietnam via Laos, and came to the north of Thailand. Came to live in Thailand about 100 years ago. Let's go see the culture of marriage of the Mien people.
ต้อนรับเจ้าสาวเข้ามาสู่ในบริเวณงานแต่งนะครับก็จะเชิญมานั่งตรงบริเวณในพื้นที่ที่จัดเตรียมพิธีการ
Choice of spouse, handsome AO go. When I started being a young man, about 15 years old and over, began to find a mate. In selecting a spouse, the Mien tribe, the male will approach the female. Mien young people are free to choose a partner. Young men may only have access to a bedroom for one night, or keep coming and going. If the girl's side doesn't interfere, she will be free. In selecting a pair of Mien, there are only two cases in scope. That is, you should marry someone of a different surname, or maybe the same surname. If they like each other, they can allow it to be less strict. But the strict is that the luck of the two young people must match. In general, the elder should get married first. If you are going to get married before, you have to pay for the gift of the older brother who is not married. When both parties love each other, the man will go and tell his parents or relatives. Let's contact to ask for the next tradition. Requesting, Tonin Saeng. When a young man decides to marry any girl, the man must find someone to investigate for. May I know the day, month, and year of birth of the woman? If the girl's parents agree to tell, it means that they surrender. After that, it will take the date of birth of the young couple. Go to a fortune teller expert. Fortune telling expert will see if both have a horoscope of Somfong or not. If the horoscope does not match, the man will not come to ask, along with a note to the woman. When looking at it, if there is a horoscope combination, parents therefore arrange for their children to fulfill their wishes. Start by sending the media to make an appointment with the girl's parents that tomorrow evening, I will send the boss to ask for my daughter. Then the female parents must provide food and food to be guaranteed. While eating and drinking, the boss will bring a pair of silver bracelets. Put it on the deck. When it's time to drink and eat, the maid came to collect the bowls. If the girl agrees with the boy, she will keep the bracelet. If you don't like it, you will return the bracelet to the boss within 2 days. The boss will be waiting to make sure that the lady doesn't return the bracelet. The boss therefore made an appointment for a date to negotiate when the time came. Which the travel date is very important, because there is a prohibition and faith in many journeys. For example, while traveling, on the way, if someone is laying firewood on the ground, running animal, trees are falling, people are falling, etc.
คือคารวะบรรพบุรุษก่อนคารวะบรรพบุรุษเสร็จแล้วก็จากนั้นก็ไปต้อนรับ
Grand wedding ceremony, Tom Ching Ja. This ceremony was a big ceremony which would cost a lot of money. Most of the people who held this big ceremony were people of good standing. It takes 3 nights and 3 days to complete the ceremony, which will take a year to prepare. Is to feed the pigs, raising enough chickens to feed the guests, which you are currently viewing. It's a small wedding ceremony, Chiang Rai. Various ceremonies will be feasting alone. There aren't many rituals. It will take only 1 day to perform the ceremony. The bride doesn't have to wear a heavy garter. And this small ceremony doesn't have to cost a lot. The focus of Mien's marriage. That is, according to the bridegroom's agreement to pay for the bride and the bride's parents, as a substitute for raising the bride. And the bridegroom must tell the spirits of his ancestors to accept and help protect the bride. Finally, the bride and groom must drink the ceremonial liquor in the same glass. Mien's marriage must be carried out with meticulous customs every step of the way, and in a way that respects each other on both sides. Nowadays, you can visit the cultural way of the Yao tribe or the Mien people in the upper northern part of Thailand, especially in our own province of Chiang Rai. Goodbye.